captain would definitely feel let down by that effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Turned away for a single. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Umpire signals leg byes. It doesn't matter how the runs come as long as they're coming. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Good shot for a single. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Turned away for a single. That was outstanding fielding. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. Gone, bowled the right length and found the edge. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Yeah, looked like he was a bit early into that shot. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Oh, that's nasty. Right into the body.